Hi everybody, my name is Roman and finally I'm back from vacation. That means that we're going to have a lot of new very cool videos very soon, and today we talk about site links and callouts. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to ask your questions and recommendations in the comments. So, what are site links and callouts? The thing is that site links, callouts are extensions of the ad. Extensions literally extend your ad, and it's incredibly important because the bigger ad you have, the more space you take on a Google page, and that's very crucial because you pay for that space and you really pay less if you have a higher click-through rate. It's much easier to have a higher click-through rate to make people click on your ad much more often if your ad is bigger. But not only bigger, it's also very important to make it beautiful, to make it sexy, to make it relevant to the people so they really feel the taste of what your product and of your shop and they actually click on it. So the callouts is something very short and very briefly describing the benefits you have. It doesn't have a link, it doesn't have much space in it, it's just several short theses. For example, on this page you see comfort and versatility or pioneering safety systems are two different callouts, and when they will be displayed on the page, they will be combined together in a line or in the list. Site links is something very close to callouts. Site links actually takes much more space. They have a headline and at least two descriptions. And the most important part, they have an opportunity to bring one more link in your ad, which altogether bring us a huge ways of making your ad more relevant. A lot of keywords represents several products on your page. For example, if somebody is looking for Mercedes-Benz GLE SUV, as here, it's a quite beautiful car, you can define different site links. For example, new SUV or used SUV, or you also can offer your, price policy or insurance policy. You have a lot of different things. And people maybe care about different things right now in their mind when they make this decision. Somebody is really care about the color of the SUV and somebody really care about the price. Most people really care about the price. But when you sell the Mercedes-Benz GLE 2020, it's quite an expensive car. And you probably want to show them different models you have. For example, more luxury, or less luxury, or cheaper, or used cars. So how to make these callouts and the site links really useful for you? First of all, you need to understand that these things like callouts and the site links and most of other extensions, but this is the most crucial ones, are actually affecting two main things in your account. They affect expected click-through rate. It means that Google will think and will rank your ad much better if you have these site links. Even if the site links are not very good, just because you have them, Google will treat your ad better. That means that you will pay per click less. And it also affects your ad relevance, and it works the same way. The better click-through rate you have and the better ad relevance you have, the better Google think about your ad and the cheaper is the actual CPC. So there are three main models which we use when we build the site links and when we build the callouts. First is the benefits. You tell about the benefits that I have when I go to your shop and buy something from you. Second one is identification. It's a very crucial model and it's very cool. And the third is very popular but less cool than the first two, is a catalog. So let's have a look on the examples of each of it. So benefits is something that benefit me as a customer directly. It's not something that describes you, your product, or something inside your system or company that can be transformed in a benefit. It's a result that I have, I feel, and I can touch. And that's very crucial. You don't say that you have a lot of delivery guys in your company. You say that you have a free delivery. That means that I save money. And if you say that I save money, it's even better benefit, but you need to describe how. You can't just say save money. You can say save money with a free delivery. That's a cool thing. Another way, extended guarantee, 24-hour support, English support, save $20, save your time, money back. All these ways of saying the benefits says to me that I actually can feel myself secure. If I buy something from you with these benefits, I'm absolutely sure that I will save my money, save my time, and in case something goes wrong, I have my money back. That doesn't mean that you should and have to make a money back. Money back is only one of the ways of getting the benefits. Each business that actually exists more than 1 month has some benefits. You probably has a best ever location. You probably has a lot of models right now in stock. You probably have experts that can actually consult me in the shop or online for free if I have some doubts. And believe me, most of the customers have these doubts. Another way of saying is identification. Identification is an amazing thing. When we read something in the internet or we're trying to understand where we want to buy, we are looking for some product that is the most relevant to our case. For example, if you sell toys in the internet and I have, a child, I would love to see the relevant filter on your site that will give me an opportunity to filter by age. Toys for 5-year-old children, and I have a 5-year-old child, that is amazing because I will find myself there. Or if you sell something to businessman, it's amazing identification because I feel myself as a businessman. I will go there to check out what you have for me. And the same goes for any other product. You probably sell some online service like Monday.com or the Trello or Slack, and then you can say for team leaders, for marketing directors, for engineers, and I will find myself there. And it doesn't actually matter if you sell different products for these different groups. What actually matters that I will find myself there and I will click on this page. Even if all four links goes to the same page, I will click on one just because I find myself in the text. And I'm a car owner and I will click on that, or I'm a parent and I will go there. Imagine you buy some t-shirts online. The very good thing is to make a site links for men, for women, for teenagers, and for kids. So if I'm looking for something, I will understand that I can easily sort and find the best product I need. And the last thing you can do is the catalog positions. It's not as perfect and as powerful as the first two things because it does not actually represent me or my benefits or my pain I have today, but it helps me to navigate through your site and understand that you have a lot of options to offer me and I can filter them from the ad. That will give you an opportunity to show me the better, more relevant page after I click it, because if I'm looking for buying a BMW in San Francisco, I do not say which BMW I'm looking for. And BMW 1 is very different from BMW 4. So you give me these positions, I can search for them, I can find them, and that will give higher conversion rate to you, to your site, and higher click-through rate to your ad. Another thing, it's also very important, for example, if you arrange a meeting with me or with somebody else and you really want me to come, you can answer this question two different ways. You can ask me, do I want to have a meeting next Thursday? And then I have an opportunity to say no. But if you ask me, do you want to have the meeting next Thursday or next Wednesday? It's much more likely that I will pick the meeting even if it's not very comfortable to me, if you give me two options and no option or to refuse it. The same works with the site links. If you give me some options, even if I'm not sure which BMW I want, I have an opportunity to make choice and to try which actually will affect your click-through rate very positively. So this is the site links and the callouts. If you have any questions, if you don't know what are the benefits or identification models that are relevant to your business, ask in the comments. If you're sure, you can just type several of them and ask me if I find them relevant and I find them interesting, or just go there, implement and test which is the best variant for you, because without testing you will never know. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave your comments below, and see you next video. Bye bye.